Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by closing the VPN and disconnecting any active tunnels. This prevents file locks and leftover services. Once done, make sure you note the license key or account email in case activation data is needed later. Now open Settings or Control Panel and use the search box to find installed apps, because locating the exact package avoids removing the wrong software. Act now. Stop the service, save credentials, and list installed programs so the uninstaller process can proceed cleanly and quickly. You should run the program's uninstaller as administrator to remove core files and registry entries. This handles most program data. Next, open Device Manager and uninstall VPN adapters such as TAP or virtual network interfaces, because drivers often persist after app removal. Then check Services and Task Manager for any remaining processes, end them, and set Startup to disabled where appropriate. Doing these steps ensures both user files and low-level network components are removed. You finish by removing leftover folders in program files and app data, because remnants can interfere with future installs. Empty the recycle bin after you verify. If comfortable, back up the registry and remove vendor keys. This is optional but useful for a pristine uninstall. Once done, restart the PC to let Windows reinitialize network stacks and drivers. If things go wrong, try reinstalling the same VPN and using its uninstall tool again. Then run the cleanup steps once more to resolve persistent artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.